Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we have to find the value for this expression. So here if more than one division is there in any expression, if more than one division is there, then go from left to right. Means first we'll solve this one. We will solve this part. So let's solve this. 8 divided by 4. So 2 divided by 8 divided by 4. Then we can write this as 2 by 8 divide by 4. Cut this, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 1 by 4 divide by 4. So here you know that KCF rule, which is keep, change, flip. Means in this, keep the first fraction as it is, change this division into multiplication, and flip this fraction. 4 by 1 is there, so 1 by 4 will come. So 1 by 4, this division change into multiplication, and here 4 by 1 is there, so 1 by 4 will come. Now multiply 1 for 4 is 16. So 1 by 16 is the correct answer.